Namaste. Welcome to the unboxing of Plant1 dharā, the world's first soil-free smart planter. Dharā comes in sturdy packaging with everything you need inside. It's designed for modern indoor spaces, so you can enjoy greenery effortlessly. Let's quickly see what's in the box. You'll find Dharā, the smart planter, Aadhar, the NutriLock substrate, Amrit, the plant nutrients, and a Type-C USB power adapter. Now let's move your plant into Dharā. First, we need to get rid of the soil. Gently tap and squeeze the pot to loosen the soil. Carefully take the plant out and slowly clear off excess soil from the roots. To clean the roots properly, you can either soak them in water and gently scrub, or you can also rinse them under running water. Now take out the orbit basket from the planter. Add a layer of Aadhar into the basket. Place the cleaned roots into the orbit basket. Then add more substrate to hold the plant firmly. Make sure the roots are securely supported inside the substrate. Next, fill the reservoir with water up to the max level mark. Finally, plug in the Type-C USB adapter to power on your smart planter. Now slide the orbit basket back into the planter and seat it properly. To nourish your plant, use Plant1 Amrit nutrients. It's formulated to support healthy growth when used with Plant1 smart planters. Use the NutriFuel Slot to add nutrients into the planter. Add 10 to 15 full pipettes with every water refill. Let's select the watering mode now. Choose the mode based on your plant type. To change the mode, press and hold the button until you hear a beep. Release, then press again to scroll through the modes. Here are the modes: Mode 1, Mode 2, Mode 3, Mode 4, Mode 5. If you don't press anything for 6 seconds, the planter exits settings and resumes normal operation. In about 30 seconds, you'll see OxyFlow cycle in action, hydrating and nourishing your plant. The cycles will repeat automatically based on your selected mode. And with the built-in reservoir, water can last up to 30 days with no wastage. And that's it. Your smart planter is ready. Just sit back and watch your plant grow. Let us plant one.